Welcome students of class 3. After a long time we are meeting, and first of all Shubha Vijaya to all of you. So I hope all of you are fine, you are safe, and obviously we are back again with our co-curricular class and co-holistic class, that is general knowledge, right? So till last class we had completed page number 45. Today we are going to start with page number 46, and 46 and 47 page number is totally on sports and Indian Olympic champions. Okay, so here it has been given champs, as we consider all of you as BMS champs, right? So here are some Indian sports people who have won medals at Olympic Games. Each champion below is holding a gold, silver or bronze medal. As you know, there are three types of medals: gold, silver and bronze. That is, the first one gets the gold medal, the second one position holder gets the silver medal, and the third position holder gets the bronze medal. Now, in question A, look at the color of the medal carefully and complete the sentence about each champions. So we have to complete the sentence about each champions. One has been done for you. So we can see some photographs over there on page number 46, and I am going to just tell you what medal they has won. So the first one, that is PV Sindhu, won the silver medal in badminton in 2016. So already the answer has been provided to you, that is PV Sindhu has won silver medal. Okay, and this sports person, those who play for our country, those who represent our country in Olympics, we should really feel proud of them. They are also having the right as the same stardom as the film stars are having. They are also the heroes, and they are also the bright stars of sports world. Okay, each sports person is one of the brightest stars of India in sports world. So we should know them very nicely, we should respect them very nicely, and we should be very firmly, very much what to say, identify them everyday life. We should know them that yes, this is a person who has made our country proud in Olympics in this game. Okay, so PV Sindhu is one of them. She has made our country proud with silver medal in badminton in 2016. Next is Rajvardhan Rathore, won the dash medal in shooting in 2004, and it is silver medal. So number 2, question A, number 2, it's silver medal. Okay, so it's silver medal. You can write R like this, you can write R like this, whatever is easier for you. Next comes Karnav Maheshwari. Karnav Maheshwari won the dash medal in weightlifting. She lifted weight. Okay, she is a weightlifting champion in 2000, and she won bronze medal. So number 3, Karnav Maheshwari won bronze medal. Next comes number 4, and number 4 is Abhinav Bindra won the dash medal in shooting in 2008. So Abhinav Bindra won the gold medal. So it's a very famous name, and he won gold medal for India in 2008 in shooting category. Leonard Pease won the bronze medal in tennis in 1996. Okay, In 1996, he won the bronze medal. So let us write down number 5, bronze medal. Here comes bronze medal. Next comes number 6. Number 6, Vijayendra Singh won the bronze medal in boxing in 2008. He was also a champion, boxing champion. He won the bronze medal in Olympics. So, and represented our country over there in 2008. So, Vijayendra Singh, bronze medal for boxing. And here comes number 7. Number 7, we can see Sushil Kumar. So Sushil Kumar is a very well-known name, won the bronze medal in wrestling, right? So wrestling, many of yours favorite game. In 2008, Sushil Kumar represented India in Olympics and won bronze medal. Next comes number 8. Number 8, Sakshi Malik. Very famous name. Sakshi Malik won the bronze medal in wrestling. She is also a wrestler, lady wrestler, and she represented India in 2016 and won the bronze medal for the country. Okay, so bright girl of India. These are all bright stars of our country. Okay, they are working hard in their field to just represent the country on international platform and make our country proud. So these are the 8 personalities who have won these medals, these positions on international platform. And now on question number B, let us go for question number B. Indian sports champions won a record 6 medals at the 2012 Olympic Games. It was a record breaking. In the year 2012, India broke the record of getting 6 medals. Games now match them with their picture. So in 2012, these are the people who won the medals, and we have to match the names with the games. Okay, so let us find it out. I hope everyone has written this one. Now let us go for question number B. Question number B, the first one, that is Saina Nehwal won a bronze in. So Saina Nehwal is a player of which game? Yes, it's badminton. So Saina Nehwal, it's 1 comes C. Okay, it's 1 C. Saina Nehwal, badminton. She won the medal in badminton, bronze medal in badminton. Next comes Yogeshwar Dutt, won a bronze medal in Yogeshwar Dutt won the bronze medal in wrestling. That is, 2 wrestlers photographs has been given, one on D and one on F. This is F. Okay, Yogeshwar Dutt's photograph is on F. So please match number 2 with F. Next comes number 3. Sushil Kumar won a silver in. Sushil Kumar won a silver in wrestling. Again in 2012. In 2008 also Sushil Kumar won, represented internationally our country India and won bronze medal. Again Sushil Kumar in 2012 he won the silver medal. So here comes number 3 and Sushil Kumar, that is, won the silver medal. His photograph is on number D. Next comes Gagan Narang. Gagan Narang won a bronze in. Gagan Narang is a person who has been recognized for shooting, and here we will match Gagan Narang with A, shooting category. He is the person who has won bronze medal in shooting category. Next comes Vijay Kumar. Okay, Vijay Kumar wants a silver in. Vijay Kumar wants a silver in. Here we can see in the E column Vijay Kumar's photograph, and that is silver medal, which is matching with E, 5E. And the last one, Mary Kom, we all know about her, won a bronze medal in which category? Boxing. Yes, so she is a boxing champion. So number 6, here comes, we will match it with B. We will match it with B. Okay, so 6B, Mary Kom, boxing. So here is the matching part, where today we came to know, we gained lots of knowledge. General knowledge means gaining knowledge. Okay, so we gained lots of knowledge about our sports person, who are the twinkling bright stars of sports world, and who has the same right to get fame and achievements for their achievements, lots of fame and lots of name in this planet. Yes, we are in India, in their own country, but really it's very sad that many of us don't even know that this is the personality who has represented our country. Okay, so along with this, I conclude my class over here. Till that time, students, take care of yourself. I will be back again next Saturday with a new class. Bye bye.